Installation of the fixed partition grace. Insert the fittings into the top rail and fix them in any place. Insert the fittings into the bottom rail and fix them in any place. Put on the vertical profile covers. Place the recurrent plates on the top screws and slide the door into the installed track. Place the bottom flat recurrent plates under the bottom screws. Adjust the door in the opening with a key. Mark and secure the bottom recurrent plates. Reinstall and adjust the door. Secure the bottom nut. Install the top track decorative cover.